Hello everyone, this is the 10th session of category C, and once again let's start with the words and their Hindi meanings. The first word for the day is malicious, M-A-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Malicious means durbhavnapurn, when we have or anyone is having bad feelings for anyone else, that is malicious. Next is metamorphosis. Now you can see PHO is written, but you are not supposed to pronounce metamorphosis. It would be metamorphosis. METAMORPHOSIS. Metamorphosis means रूपांतर. When we change the whole structure of something, किसी चीज़ का बिल्कुल काया पलट जिसको आप बोल सकते हैं. Next is panorama. PANORMA. चित्रमाला. Panorama is again the structure, how something is being presented. Next is patriarch. PATRIARCH. पेट्रियार्क इज कुलपति, किसी भी वंश का जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट यानी जो सबसे बुजुर्ग आदमी होता है, दैट इज कुलपति. तो द वर्ड इन इंग्लिश वुड बी पेट्रियार्क. नेक्स्ट इज प्रेजरी. PREGURY. प्रेजरी इज झूठा साक्ष्य, द फॉल्स एविडेंस, दैट इज समथिंग विच इज presented as an evidence but that is not proven to be the true one. झूठा साक्ष्य. Next is pittance. PITTANCE. Pittance means दान, when we give something in kind of a reward, not a reward exactly, but it's a kind of help over someone, that is pittance. Next is premonition. Premonition, PREMONITION. Premonition means पूर्व सूचना, when we inform prior the event is going to happen, or anything which is informed before the happening. पूर्व सूचना. Next is sabotage. SABOTAGE. Sabotage means नुकसान, harm to something. Next is swelter. SWELTER. Swelter means उलझन, a little confusion. It can be of any kind of decision that we take. So next time onwards, when you are using the word confusion, you can also switch to the next word, that is swelter, उलझन. Next and the last word for the day is transient. TRANSIENT. Transient means क्षणिक, anything which happened for a very small duration, that is known as transient. So these were the words and their meanings. Moving towards now, I am not going to give you any kind of sentences along with their meanings. Today I have just written a few of the sentences about importance of English language. मतलब क्या ज़रूरत है हमें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की. तो आई हैव नॉट गिवन अ होल so many amount of sentences. I have just given 4 or 5 sentences. I will make you understand the meaning of those sentences. The first is language is important because it's one of the main ways to communicate. सबसे पहले भाषा की हमें ज़रूरत क्यों है? क्योंकि भाषा के द्वारा ही हम किसी से बातचीत कर पाते हैं या किसी से वार्तालाप कर पाते हैं. And interact with each other around us. मतलब जो भी हमारे आसपास है, हम उससे अगर बात करना चाहें तो बात कैसे कर सकते हैं? अगर हमें कोई भाषा आएगी, अब वो भाषा मौखिक भी हो सकती है, लिखित भी हो सकती है और कई बारी सांकेतिक भी हो सकती है. तो नेक्स्ट इज इट कीप्स अस इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ अदर पीपल. सो लैंग्वेज इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इफ यू वांट or we want to be in connection with someone else or anyone else around us, we need to have a language. एक भाषा की तो ज़रूरत होगी हमें. English language is an international language and spoken in many parts of the world. अब इंग्लिश सीखने की ज़रूरत हमें क्यों है भाई? सबसे पहले तो इंग्लिश सीखने की ज़रूरत इसलिए है क्योंकि ये एक इंटरनेशनल यानी कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय भाषा है और ये बहुत विश्व के बहुत सारे अलग अलग हिस्सों में बोली जाती है. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो स्पोकन एज द फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज इन मेनी कंट्रीज. Meanwhile, it is also spoken, मतलब ये बहुत सारी ऐसी कंट्रीज़ हैं जहाँ पे कि प्रथम भाषा के रूप में भी बोली जाती है. When we talk about India, this is not the first language. Obviously, English is not considered the mother tongue. In India, the mother tongue is obviously Hindi, but in India as well, nowadays it has been started as it has been used as not second language, it is now a formal language in India. So it is also spoken as the first language in many countries but not in India. But that is very important. That's why, because it is important, that's why we are learning and trying to learn English, how to speak it. So this is it for the day. Few of the sentences regarding importance of English language. Hope these words and sentences are being useful for you. So this was the 10th session of category C, and after these sessions I will definitely try and give you some of the basic rules how to speak fluent and good English. So till then, stay safe, stay home, and at last I would definitely like to request from all of you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep sharing it with maximum number of peoples, and if the content is useful, please like. Thanks a lot.